Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl ExO coming to you with another video. I'm going to be trying out a few different hairstyles and I will see which one I think is the best. You guys can definitely comment down below and tell me which one you guys like. And yeah, let's just jump right into the video. First off, I think I want to add some, some goodies, some food into my hair because it is looking a little bit, dry. As you can see, it's looking a little crazy, it's looking a little dry. So I'm gonna take this Cantu Shea Butter Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream right here. It's for natural hair. Just like slather it all over my hand. Just gonna put it all over my hair. I'm gonna use this spray bottle. It doesn't have the actual product in it. It's just a really good sprayer. I have conditioner, a little bit of that moisturizer, that curl enhancing moisturizer, and some water, and I'm just spraying it all over my hair.
Don't touch my hair when it's the feelings I wear. Don't touch my soul, no, no. When it's the rhythm I know. Don't touch my crown. This is the vision I've found. Don't touch
that was it for this video. Those were 4 easy natural hairstyles that you can do on a really old braid out. I really liked how a lot of these hairstyles came out. Definitely gonna try these out for work tomorrow. I'm gonna try the first one at least, definitely for work tomorrow. But yeah, I really like how those hairstyles came out. I hope you guys did too. Please leave me a thumbs up if you like what you saw and you saw what you like. Also hit that subscribe button. It's going to be in this corner or that corner. And yeah, thank you so much for tuning in to another video, and I hope to see you next time. Peace! Bye!